Firefighting is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. When we think of occupational hazards that firefighters face, we normally think of burns, smoke inhalation, and injuries caused by collapsed structures. However, the two most common conditions that firefighters are at risk for are noise-induced hearing loss and cardiovascular disease. Firefighters are regularly exposed to noise levels that exceed occupational exposure limits. These noises come from sirens, pumps, engines, and other pneumatic tools such as chainsaws. Exposure to these noises over a long period of time can cause hearing loss. Numerous studies have also linked firefighting activities to acute cardiac events. In fact, a Harvard study found that firefighters are 10 times more likely to suffer from an acute cardiac event such as a heart attack while performing fire suppression activities. Fortunately, the Illinois legislature has recognized the unique hazards that firefighters face, and in 2008 amended the Illinois Workers' Compensation Act to not only benefit firefighters, but also benefit emergency medical technicians and paramedics. Under Section 6F of the Act, any impairment or condition that a firefighter, EMT, or paramedic sustains that is a result of bloodborne pathogen, vascular disease, respiratory disease, hypertension, tuberculosis, cancer, hearing loss, or a hernia is presumed to arise out of and in the course of their employment. Now, this presumption only applies to firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics who have at least 5 years on the job. This is a great advantage to litigation. Typically, under the Illinois Workers' Compensation Act, the employee has a burden of proving that their condition is work-related. However, under the rebuttable presumption, the onus is on the employer to prove that the condition is not work-related. So if the employer does not provide any evidence that the condition is not work-related, the employee will be awarded benefits. If you or a loved one has sustained an occupational injury, a personal injury, or any other type of work injury, please give us a call at 630-585-23